One of the coolest things about tech stocks is the fact that there's always something on the horizon. Whether it's e-commerce, data center REITs, or streaming video services, there's always something to look forward to. And that's what I love about 5G. It makes the world of tech that much more powerful, safer, and user-friendly. And goes without saying, at least 100 times faster than what we have on the table at this time. And that's what I love about 5G. It's a mega trend that'll outperform the markets regardless of what the economy does next. Why? Well, because 5G is the bridge that'll power tech for years and possibly the next decade. 5G promises to increase performance of wireless networks, increase low latency, which is required for AI and the Internet of Things, which will power everything from automobiles to smart devices in the years to come. Without it, there's no self-driving cars, virtual reality, or high-speed robotics, cybersecurity, in addition to AG streaming, third-party video hosting, and a host of services that were once a distant dream or a scene from a Star Wars movie. The current pandemic only accelerates the need for 5G since information is not available in many rural areas, which is causing disruptions in household businesses and governments all over the world. I hope you can see how vital 5G is for us to move forward and continue technological advancement at an increased rate. This is why I'm focused on 5G today, and specifically two stocks that are vital to the 5G revolution. They should see strong upside as we get deeper into the tech in the coming months. The first of our stocks to buy is Coherent, COHR ticker symbol. Again, I'll repeat it, COHR. The company forecasts strong demand for 5G related technology. The company designs, manufactures, and markets laser system and components, laser measurement and control products, optics, and laser accessories, which are used both in industries and scientific research. Coherent expects high demand for laser use to manufacture 5G antennas and circuit boards, which is their specialty. Competition for components and lasers heating up in China, and their manufacturing is going up from 3 kilowatts to 6 kilowatt fiber laser markets. In the first quarter, Coherent posted revenue of $320 million. Microelectronics accounted for 41% of its revenue, while material processing was another 27%. The 5-year revenue growth is 80%, and the five-year earnings growth is 85% average, which means consistent growth. The company currently has 4 strong buy recommendations, which tells me institutional capital is going to continue accumulating shares aggressively in the coming months. Look for the stock to trade higher once again once Corona is behind us due to much needed demand for 5G. The second 5G stock on my radar is Cisco Systems. Ticker symbol is CSCO. Large-scale networks, well, they're the backbone of explosive 5G growth. Customers will continue to need more software capabilities, better security and threat detection. Cisco focuses on cloud security systems, such as Umbrella Threat Grid and StealthWatch, which is going to see strong demand with 5G. As 5G increasingly develops, Cisco will increase production of high-frequency bandwidth, which will give the capability to transfer data with zero loss and a substantially higher rate than we are currently seeing now. Cisco stock has been leading the networks for decades and currently has 10 buy recommendations, which means it's a darling for big companies. In a nutshell, the company's positioned to take advantage of the added bandwidth speed, security, and will increase the efficiency of their networks to take advantage of 5G growth. It's going to be hard to replace a company like Cisco that's been perfecting this tech for several decades and offers extremely strong foundational growth. I believe Cisco is going to be instrumental in 5G growth, and relative strength of the stock is reasonable in light of the current volatile trading climate. I hope that helps. Folks, I want you to pay very close attention to what I'm about to tell you. Now, there's been a massive flash crash in the markets, and many traders just lost a lot of cash fast. They're hurting, and I can sympathize with them. I lost a significant amount of capital during the flash crash of 2005. It nearly ruined me until I figured out a way to win in these markets. You see restaurants and stores, they're beginning to open back up, and there's some fast cash to be made. That's why I developed a system that works during and after huge market crashes, protecting you on the way down and delivering stocks primed to explode higher during the rebound phase. Considering the markets we're in now, I honestly don't know if there's ever been a better time for this strategy I'm about to tell you about. Click on the link below to learn the strategy today. Do it now.